come to satsang. Does everybody understand English? Yeah?
French.
Okay.
Espagnol. Spanish.
We'll translate if you need. Hein? On traduira s'il le faut. Ou vous me parlez en français, je vous réponds en français. On va essayer de se débrouiller. So satsang is a very unique phenomena because it's there that you hear. You are ever yourself. And you find satsang because you search to realize yourself, to hear. Already you are yourself. Don't search. Don't search. The thing is, if you search, it's because you identify with an attribution, an attribut. I am this body, I am this mind. So be free to realize yourself, your real self. Just free yourself from attribution, from name and form at once. Because it's an illusion that it glues to you. It has been concepts, swallowed ideas, beliefs in different experiences. Free yourself just now. And if one speaks of freeing, it's just due to this conviction that you have that you are not yourself. Otherwise, just be yourself. Vous avez saisi le... Vous pouvez me faire un petit signe hein, quand vous voulez. Well, I have not much to say, only that. Now, it is to you to say, if it is the case, why you feel there is an hindrance, what's on the way. What's on the way? Must be tricks of your mind, must be suggestions of your mind, and you have this old habit to believe in, to catch it. So don't think. Who you are will never be in the grip of thinking, nor of feeling. So free yourself from all this fantasy. That will give end to suffering, to illusory suffering. If you have a question about it, if you have a doubt, please get rid of it, not to carry it and spoil your life. Because a doubt kills many times. Again and again it comes. Let's root it up. And this can be done just now. So. And it's your birthright, regardless of your company and of your circumstances, to ask for freedom. So don't feel shy. It's your birthright to free yourself just now, if it is not yet obvious to you. Yes?
According to your words, I personally,
Sure.
I feel that I have an I, that I am an I, but I don't know.
Which eye? Right or left?
I feel I am an entity. I know that this is an imagination, an illusion.
You know it, but you have not realized it. So, may I ask you, when you were young, because you are young but not so young, when you were young and now, are you not the same guy?
No, I think I'm not the same guy. The
So-
body changes.
So, the body changes, the mind changes. Are you the body and the mind? That is the question.
No, I'm not the body.
And also you don't confuse yourself for your brother, for example. So you must have a feeling which is changeless in you from the very beginning, but it's spoiled by the identification with a particular body and a particular mind. What is a body and what is a mind? Is it not a form and a name?
Yes.
Yes. So go back to your natural freedom, your natural state. Just for a second now, go back, and you can go back the moment you don't cling to your known body and your known mind. Just now. What's
I
that?
can achieve silence. I can
Shift?
achieve
Yeah.
silence.
Okay. But,
No more than silence.
no word, but, continue, but, why you are not staying there? Why, what is disturbed?
Okay. Why I'm not staying in that silence? Because, it's difficult to be always in silence. Because the mind
Listen, it's difficult to try to maintain a state permanently. It's difficult because you see, you shift for a moment from the body and the mind, you shift it to no body and no mind. That's why you have a moment of silence. You see, but you have not seen that there is no substance in any state. There is no substance in name and form, and in the opposite, and in no name and no form. Because if you go to opposite states, they will as well start, have a kind of existence, and finish as any state, as the mind presents. The mind is like this. It takes birth it exists, it dies. Same with the body, which is an idea also. So I want you to not to attain with effort a state, let it be silence, just make no effort. Make no effort in not how it may look like a tremendous effort. It's just looking for once. Don't go into thinking. Don't go into your autoroute, autobahn, you see, of the known. Don't go there for a minute, half a minute, a split second. Do it. Do it. Do it. Because that gives you this feeling, I am always myself. But this habit to cling, to go into the movement, you have to see that what is mind. I include in mind the body also. Body experiences, emotions, sensations, knowledge, thoughts, all that is mind. Means something which starts, it was not there before, which ends. Don't you see that it's a movement? I is the first movement. So, I becomes the first movement if you attach an attribute, something. I doesn't enter into any movement when you free him to attach it to anything. Keep quite there. In order to realize yourself. No, don't swallow these things like that, or swallow it completely. Or if there is an important obstacle or something, you have to ask, because like this you get also free from that. Vous comprenez? C'est bien.
Assez bien.
Très bien, je pense. Anything? Quelque chose? Ne pas obligé, mais si quelque chose vous amène ici, vous pouvez le dire.
I only speak English now.
Ah, c'est vrai! Okay, how many So you understood well?
Yes, yes, I understand.
But what? But? What is but? Tell me what is but.
It is nothing really.
But is nothing. Okay. Then we are very agreeing very much. But it's not. That's all. Then we never go there. But, that's it. But. But is the door to the mind. It's not. don't open the door.
Better not touch
Maybe
it.
there is no door, huh?
Maybe.
I'm quite sure, but you have to see it. And you speak French? French? English? Et vous, y a-t-il une question qui vous porte ici?
Is there a question that's brought you here?
Oui? Vous voulez me la...
Oui.
Vous? Ok.
Il y a une vingtaine d'années,
20 years ago,
en Inde,
in India,
j'ai vécu une expérience
I had an experience
qui s'est répétée 3 fois en une année.
that reappeared 3 times in 1 year.
Et ça s'est passé à chaque fois dans un ashram.
Each time was an
Différent.
ashram.
Et c'est la première nuit, après mon arrivée,
First night after arriving,
complètement épuisé par le voyage.
exhausted by the journey.
Et c'était là... Maintenant? Non, il y a 20
Il y a 20
ans.
years.
Oui, oui, là, not de là. Ok. 20 years back, last, the
Oui.
night.
20 years ago.
Ok.
Yeah.
Donc après avoir voyagé toute la journée en Inde, complètement épuisé,
Oui, ça je comprends.
j'arrive dans l'ashram
I
et
arrived in the ashram
je me couche.
and went to bed.
Je tombe dans un sommeil profond.
I fall to a profound deep sleep.
Et en pleine nuit,
In the middle of the night,
je suis réveillé
I'm awoken
et je me retrouve dans ce que je ne peux appeler qu'un état d'éveil.
and I wake up in what I can only call a state of awakening,
Un éveil total,
total awakening.
où je suis dans une béatitude,
I'm in a beatitude,
dans une lucidité,
lucidity,
une clairvoyance,
a clairvoyance.
le passé, le présent, l'avenir, tout était réuni.
The past, present and future was reunited.
Cet état a duré quelques heures
It lasted some hours
et est reparti.
and then it went
3 fois en une année,
3 times in 1 year,
il y a 20 ans,
20 years ago,
et puis plus jamais revenu.
and it's never come back
Et
since.
c'est ça qui vous fait chercher.
And this is what makes you
Je
search.
understand, je comprends.
I understand.
Mais même dans vos paroles, vous pouvez voir que cet état d'éveil est un état.
Even through your words,
C'est
you
pour
can see
ça
that the state
qu'il
of
a pu
awakening was a
partir.
state.
C'est pas... Ah oui,
Sorry,
c'est pour ça qu'il a pu s'évanouir.
that's why
Et ce n'est
they could vanish.
et ce n'est pas parce que vous avez voilé quelque chose par quelque chose d'autre.
It's not because you covered it with something else.
Écoutez bien.
Listen well.
Donc c'est un état très particulier, très sublime,
So it's
très profond dans les
special
états de
sublime.
conscience.
and profound
No,
state of
y a pas de doute.
consciousness. There's no doubt in that.
Mais dites-moi vous-même,
But tell me yourself.
vous l'avez vécu,
Tell me, you lived it.
vous l'avez vécu quand il est parti. Vous avez vécu sa disparition.
You lived through its disappearance.
C'est un attribut qui peut venir et qui peut disparaître.
An attribute that can come and go.
Qui est resté?
Who is left?
Qui est resté encore depuis 20 ans?
Since 20 years, who has stayed?
Si vous n'êtes pas hypnotisé par cet attribut,
If you're not
Qui est toujours là?
hypnotized by that attribute, who is still there?
dites-moi.
Tell me.
Il ne reste que le souvenir.
Non.
It's only a memory that stays.
Non. Le souvenir est une empreinte
The
d'une
memory
expérience. Et qui a le souvenir?
Who has this memory?
Si vous ne vous attribuez même pas ce souvenir,
If you
qui
drop it
était
back,
déjà là il y a 20 ans et qui est là aujourd'hui?
who was there 20 years ago?
Dites-moi.
Who's there now?
Il y a bien quelqu'un
There must be someone
qui est toujours là.
who's still there.
Les attributs viennent et partent,
Attributes come,
même les attributs d'éveil.
even those of awakening.
Mais on cherche qui on est vraiment,
But we're
qui est
looking
celui qui est sans changement, qui n'est jamais né, qui ne meurt jamais. Et celui-là est là devant moi aujourd'hui aussi et devant vous-même.
here in front of me today and in front of yourself.
Ne cherchez pas d'attributs.
Don't look for attributes.
Libérez-vous des attributs.
Free yourself from attributes.
Alors vous allez encore chercher?
So will you search more?
On ne court qu'après des chimères.
We don't follow.
Elles peuvent avoir l'aspect de l'éveil.
No, no.
C'est une bénédiction de la recherche. C'est une grâce. Mais ce n'est pas ça. Et celui-là a toujours été là. Et
The one has always been there.
Et vous, madame Cécilia?
Oui.
Ah! Et vous, Cécilia?
Moi, je sens que la difficulté pour moi, c'est de me libérer, j'ai envie de dire, de mon histoire psychologique.
I can
Oh, je
feel that
comprends. C'est
my
fatigant.
problem is to free myself
C'est
from
trop fatigant.
psychological story.
Mais il n'y a personne qui vous oblige hein,
But
de la garder, cette
nobody
histoire.
obliges you to keep that.
Et en plus, vous avez envie de vous libérer.
And
C'est peut-être qu'un mauvais rêve, après tout.
free
Hein?
yourself.
Des
So
fois,
maybe
j'ai
it was just
l'impression,
a bad
ouais.
dream.
C'est une bonne impression.
Sometimes I have that impression.
Suivez
It's
la
a good
direction de
impression.
cette impression. Parce que, encore une fois, tout ce qu'on peut décrire,
Because everything one can describe,
et c'est ça la psychologie, hein,
that's
on
psychology.
décrit.
We describe.
Et on devient très raffiné en décrivant encore plus
We become very
complexement.
refined
On décrit, on
in the way
décrit.
we describe.
Et on oublie le sujet.
And we forget the subject.
C'est vrai.
It's true.
Et par expérience, on voit que quand on oublie le sujet,
Experience, when we forget the subject,
on est malheureux.
we are unhappy.
Heureux, malheureux.
Happy and unhappy.
Aussi, on a le droit de se libérer des descriptions.
We have the right to free ourselves of descriptions.
La vraie nature de soi-même
The real nature of
est
ourselves
libérée.
is free.
Elle est libre par nature.
It's free by nature.
Elle ne dépend pas de descriptions.
And
et de
doesn't
forme.
depend on anything, on descriptions. No.
Et c'est ici même,
And here,
quand vous n'allez pas dans le mouvement du pensée,
when you don't go into the movement of the mind,
c'est pour ça que je dis don't think,
that's why I say
ne pense pas.
don't think, ne pensez pas.
Qu'est-ce qui se passe?
What happens?
Dites-moi, qu'est-ce qui se passe? N'allez pas dans le mouvement, aucun mouvement,
Don't go in any
que ce soit
movement.
sensation, émotion,
Sensation,
pensée.
emotion,
Qu'est-ce qui se passe?
thought.
Même si ça apparaît, vous n'allez pas dedans.
Even if it
Qu'est-ce
looks
qui
as
se
if
passe?
you're not going into it.
Là, il y a du silence.
C'est peut-être même encore mieux que ça.
Maybe even better than
C'est
that.
encore un mot, bien sûr, on ne peut pas faire autrement que nommer, mais c'est même pas le silence, je dirais, pour pas que ça devienne un piège de nouveau.
Not even silence.
Restez tranquille là,
Stay.
restez tranquille là. N'allez pas dans ce qui apparaît.
Don't go into what appears.
S'il y a quelque chose qui surgit, il faut me le dire. Hein?
Anything comes up, you must tell me.
Je sens que je m'oublie.
I feel that I forget myself.
Quelle libération.
Je me sens souvent parasité par des peurs et de la non-confiance.
Oui.
J'ai fait des expériences douloureuses
Oui.
qui me ramènent à des peurs.
Oui. Oui. Ça, c'est le bagage du monde. Vous traduisez?
I didn't
Ah.
at all,
Il se
sorry,
sent-
'cause it's
Il se sent parasité.
I
par
Je
des
me sens
peurs.
souvent parasité par des peurs et de la non-confiance,
I
que
often
ce soit en
feel
moi-même
I often feel parasited by fear and distrust
lié à notre propre histoire.
linked to
Bien
my
sûr.
own story.
Bien sûr, ce n'est que le passé d'une
It's
existence
only the past
qui semble réapparaître
existence that
toujours au
seems
présent.
to reappear.
Et comment est-ce que ça apparaît au présent?
And
Qu'est-ce que vous faites pour ça?
how does it appear in the present
Bon,
time?
j'ai plusieurs
What do you do for that?
attitudes, c'est selon, je veux dire, mon humeur. quoi.
I have different attitudes depending
Oui.
on my
Mais je demande juste comment
Just
que le
asking.
passé pourrait sembler si vif dans le présent. Qu'est-ce que vous faites pour ça?
how could the past seem so
La
alive
situation
in the
réactive.
present?
La
Non.
situation.
Non, je voudrais une réponse plus intime. Je voudrais que vous voyiez
I would like an intimate response.
que vous entrez dans ce mouvement auquel vous croyez, un mouvement
What makes you
qui vous amène à
come into
accrocher, à
this?
gripper le passé.
What is it that makes you hang on to the past,
Insecurity.
suddenly hold on to the past?
L'insécurité.
Insecurity.
C'est une expérience
That's an experience.
due au passé.
Due to
Vous
the
avez
past.
connu ça.
You knew that.
Si les circonstances sont pareilles,
If
vous
circumstances
vivez
are the
pareil.
same, and if you live the same things,
mais pour y accorder de l'importance,
but if you
il
give
faut
it importance,
entrer dans ce mouvement
you have to
suggéré
enter into the movement
par ce système corps et mental,
suggested by
qui est du
your
passé.
body-mind system.
Quand je peux lâcher prise
Oui.
I can let
Ok.
go
et m'ouvrir à l'inconnu,
and open to
je
what's
suis souvent
unknown.
surpris par ce qui est bon pour moi.
Mais c'est le seul remède. Le lâcher prise, qu'est-ce que c'est? Ne pas penser.
What is letting go? It's
Oui.
not
Et
thinking.
malheureusement, je résiste à ce lâcher
But
prise.
unfortunately, I resist.
Vous résistez à la plénitude de vous-même.
So
Il
you
faut le
resist
faire,
to
hein.
the
Il faut le faire.
plenitude of yourself. You-
Mais c'est connu,
but it's well
que,
known that
curieusement, on
curiously,
peut s'attacher à sa propre histoire.
we can get
Parce que ça
attached to our
personnalise
own
le
story.
jeu.
It makes it more.
Alors, là, il y a une grande décision à
And then
prendre.
there's a big decision to take.
Avant de mourir,
Before
Oui,
dying,
avant de mourir,
Je désire ça fortement.
I
fortement, mais
really
pas
desire
assez.
that.
Je sais.
Alors revenez pour écouter combien il est comment est-ce qu'on dit en français? En anglais c'est fort, foolish,
Really stupid, yes.
stupide de se faire souffrir
To
quand on
suffer
sait par-dessus le marché
when you know,
que c'est sans s'agripper
when it's easy.
que l'on est libéré
We are
de ces soi-disant souffrances.
that you know. you can
Donc
be
vous devez
freed from
tomber amoureux de
these
ça,
supposed sufferance.
amoureux de vous-même.
Love.
Pas peut-être. Pas peut-être. Sinon, vous laissez la place à la tyrannie du mental à vous reprendre.
Don't let your
C'est une
tyrannical
décision ferme de
mind
se libérer
get
cette
the better
vie. Hein.
of you again.
Sinon, vous savez, le mental est trop malin. Il
You
faut
know, the
pas,
mind is very
il faut
clever.
pas avoir confiance en
You
ce
should
mental.
never trust him.
Parce que même si pendant 10 ans,
Because even
Hein?
during 10 years,
il est soi-disant calme,
he's sort of
je
calm.
vous assure
I can
qu'à la
promise you
11e année,
at the 11th
il va
hour,
venir avec
il
une
va venir.
surprise telle,
he will come back with
vous allez dedans
such
de
a
nouveau.
strength, you'll be taken
Où est
again.
mon éveil?
Where is my...
Il ne faut pas faire confiance aux suggestions du mental.
Don't ever listen to suggestions of the mind.
Donc quand ça arrive, qu'on voit qu'on a une
When
expérience,
it comes,
de se laisser prendre comme d'habitude,
and as usual, you're taken by it.
arrêt immédiat,
Immediate stop.
reconnaissance immédiate. Je ne vais pas là-dedans.
Recognize immediately that you're not going to go in that direction.
Je sais que je multiplie mes cycles
I
de
know that I
renaissance et de mort.
multiply my cycles of
C'est ça qui est
life and
curieux,
death.
c'est que je me laisse aller et puis après c'est de plus en plus pire.
Ah ben bien
In
sûr.
fact, I let myself
Plus
go,
on
and then it gets
dépouille le
worse and
mental,
worse. The more you
plus
listen to the mind,
il y a une certaine sagesse, plus le tyran va montrer qu'il est encore maître.
then
Full
it
power.
the mind gets stronger and stronger.
Donc ça dépend de votre désir de libération.
Depends if you have a real desire for
Et le
liberation.
désir de libération, pour qu'il soit, il faut qu'il soit,
And this
euh,
desire,
je m'excuse, mais je parle plus tellement français en ça. Unique. Il faut qu'il soit unique.
this desire for liberation must be unique.
Il ne faut pas avoir beaucoup d'amoureux ici et là.
No
Il faut unique.
amoureux, no loved ones here and there. It's your unique.
Amoureux, s'il y a, qu'est-ce que vous voulez dire?
Ben, aimer d'autres choses. Aimer encore être pris par ceci et cela, se reconfirmer chaque fois sa propre existence en s'agrippant à ce que le mental présente.
Grabbing and grasping.
Et si je suis amoureux de cette femme là qui est là,
And if I'm
je
in love
m'agrippe à elle.
Ah mais bien
this
sûr.
woman, am I grasping her? Of course.
Bien sûr.
Mais ça fait du bien quand même.
Pour le corps et pour l'esprit, ça fait
It
beaucoup de
makes
bien.
me feel good for the body and for the
Mais
mind.
quand on est limité, que ça nous satisfait momentanément.
But it's
Comment
Si
limiter?
on est limité, que ça nous
we are
satisfait,
limited
ça nous
by
satisfait
the fact that it
momentanément.
satisfies us
Oui,
only.
mais je ne comprends pas la question.
Ça, c'est un passage avant d'être libéré, puisque je connais.
Mais vous pouvez être
Just
libéré
the
tout en
passage,
aimant
it's
cette femme. Pardon,
You can
madame,
be
ou je ne sais
free
pas comment
and
elle
love
s'appelle.
this
Voilà, c'est ça qui est intéressant.
woman.
Ben, vous, ça, vous perdez rien. Oui, oui, oui. Mais se libérer, c'est toujours maintenant. Hein.
But to be freed is now.
Mais ce jeu avant, pendant et après, je ne sais pas qui fait.
But this I,
Ben si, vous le savez.
before now,
Vous savez très bien
later, I don't know.
d'où vous venez, que vous êtes français, que vous avez et que vous avez cette femme. Non, non, c'est pas vrai. Le jeu là, vous le connaissez très bien.
This,
Non, le jeu interne. Celui dont vous avez parlé tout à l'heure.
Mais vous ne le connaîtrez jamais puisque vous l'êtes. Mais quelle joie, c'est ça la libération.
I get this joy, but you will not know it because you are
Être
it.
libéré de la tyrannie du mental,
Be
de
liberated
toujours
from the
vouloir
tyranny of the
agripper ou des objets
But if
ou
you're
la
always grasping
soi-disant
other things,
connaissance de soi. Mais c'est un poison,
it's a poison.
cette connaissance.
This sort of knowledge.
Soyez, on ne dit pas
Just
connaissez,
be.
on dit soyez.
Don't know, be.
Bon. Bon. Mais si ça suffit pas, on peut
But if it's
encore
not
parler.
enough,
Hein.
let's go. Then we can talk more.
Ça va, hein. Je fais place à d'autres.
Ils trouveront leur place, ne vous en faites pas. So. Fine? Not fine? It's too hot or a little bit?
No, now it's okay.
Yeah. But are you really fine?
Beside of this, oh,
I don't have a question, but I want to repeat and clarify perhaps a little bit what you just said.
Okay.
You said, if you really want this, then you cannot be in love with other things. Vous ne pouvez pas être amoureux d'autre chose.
Très bien compris.
And then you said, because if you are still looking for other things, other experiences, and then you said something to me very important, that confirm yourself. So in a sense, we search for other experiences besides this search, let us say, for the absolute.
Yeah, okay.
We search for other experiences, art, whatever,
Yes.
love,
Sure.
traveling,
There's a lot of things.
for the purpose of confirming
A
ourselves.
personal existence.
Yes, can you say a little more about this?
Well, it's very clear, huh?
It's very clear,
No?
because you, a little before you said, c'est la tentation, le désir de personnaliser le jeu, to personalize the game. So it's something similar, to
But
make
that's
the
what
game
we-
personal.
But a game is personal. Huh? Who has the game, who sees the game, who describes the game is I. But in other terms, it means I is always through convictions, through concepts or whatever, is always glued to something.
Yeah.
But in fact, who you are will shine by itself the moment you don't attribute something to it, the moment you don't glue something to it. It's already here. You veil it because you look to something else. So, what to do to realize who you are? The best indication is keep quiet, because you already are yourself, and a minute, split second, don't grasp any attribute. And that's all. Hmm? And so, all the rest, all those habits, all those beliefs of before, they are seen as appearance which comes and goes. They have no substance in itself because they are not independent. They depend on who you really are. Who you really are doesn't depend on anything to be self-revealed.
It's painful because it's so obvious and so true, and yet it's not realized. So
I thought you were just realizing it.
Sorry.
I thought you were just realizing it.
Thank you. It's
You just,
somehow-
you see, you were just quiet for less than a
was,
split
yes,
second,
yes.
but then you grasp immediately that thought,
yes.
and then it's painful.
Yes, yes.
But you
yes.
made it painful. Why you
Because
why
I
you
felt the
grasp?
pressure.
You don't understand. You have not seen that the mind, let it be any shape of the mind, if you grasp it, you veil the self-evidency of yourself. Let the mind talk. Let the body give you sensations and experiences. For a minute, don't look at it. Don't go there. It's not difficult. What makes it difficult is the attachment of what we know, of our habit to grasp. That's all. Nothing else. Nothing else. N'est-ce pas, Cecilia? Happy? Good. Don't spoil it. And you want to ask something?
I live with this knowledge that I'm the self, and only try to watch what is not.
Okay. And is there something left in what is not? Huh? You don't need to be a watcher. You just remove the watcher and keep quiet. You're young, yeah? You love to come to satsang?
It's my first time.
Okay. And if you want to ask something, you can. Or do you understand or feel what I say? Very nice. Try to have some space. Yes. Welcome to satsang. So, satsang is just to remind you that you have not to search for who you are. Maybe it's not your question today. It may come, and then you will remember. Never search for who you are. What you search is always something else, with an utopic happiness. And when there is happiness, since it is something you can conceive or experience in the body and in the mind, it will end and then unhappiness will come. So those are the waves of the ocean you are. So just keep quiet for a moment. Just free yourself from anything you know or you wish. Just a second. Closing the eyes, it helps. So that it This silence prints is imprinted in your life. The gift in your life. You are at rest, you could see by yourself, you are at rest when you don't grasp the thoughts or the sensations of the body. Then it's big rest, the big silence. So it's part of your life. And who you are is the one who can see all that. I see I am at rest. I see I am agitated. So never search for that. You are it. Oh, prasad. Le thé, c'est prasad. Mais... Oh là là. Very special. Voilà.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
So your luggage is not big because you are young in the mind, and the emotions is less big than adults. So it's easier to throw it off. Because this is the way to real happiness. The happiness which doesn't come and go, the happiness which doesn't depend on something. So this is who you are. The happiness, which doesn't depend on anything, is who you are. You have not to search for it. You are it. Whenever you search, it's for something else. It's the mind which suggests things. And the mind is a creator. Infinitely, he will suggest better and better. It's an illusion. Because after happiness, there is unhappiness, and it comes back, and this and that. Duality. We call it duality. So free yourself, not from duality, you cannot stop duality to appear, from the tyranny of the duality. How? No, it is the mind. It's not who I am. It's just the mind. You're quiet, huh? Oh, come.
I have a question. I'm not the and I don't know how to formulate it here, but maybe you can.
Maybe it's not a question then. It's just a little bubble. Is it worth to solve it? The question, the bubble?
Maybe.
Maybe?
I don't know. Between
maybe.
Maybe.
You think the mind will solve everything. You still think so?
No, I don't think so.
Now you're in contradiction. You lost your glasses? Sam! You didn't search for it, huh?
Search for the glasses?
You found them. Like that, huh? It's like that. How are you? Obsessive? I?
Still sometimes.
Oh, sometimes. There is a break. There is a break? Sometimes means there is sometimes there, sometimes a break.
If I look, it's always. If I look, it's always there. I mean,
I hope so. You never lose yourself. You
I
never.
mean, the eye is always there.
You
If I
never
check it out.
lose yourself. Okay, you call it I because you have the habit to name, but if it is I alone, you never lose your I. So what do you want more? I thought you were searching for something you never lose.
Maybe there is something that could still be lost. Some association.
Prove it to
with
me.
the eye.
Association you will lose. Association you
I
lose.
hope, but it's,
Oh, you hope. You say just I, and then now you speak of association, and then
no. I said there's still something I could lose. You know, like something that is associated with I, some state or something.
really? Why you say so? Just now, which state is there?
Yeah, so maybe some feeling, nature.
But that belongs to the body or the mind, yeah? Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So let it be there. We cannot look to every cloud which passes. Huh? Let it be there. Then, what is the problem?
Problem is that I think that
I
there's still identification
I
with it.
think. And if you don't think, what happens?
Sensation is still there.
Again you look to the cloud. If you don't look to that sensation, it is from the body. Don't go back to the body, don't go back to the mind, what happens? It can be there, you can ignore them, it works by itself, don't worry. You breathe. Finally, you breathe. You breathe only when you don't go back to the body and the mind, then you breathe. Can I hear something? Just now, can I hear something? If I dare to go to the body and the mind. Dare?
Almost.
Don't poison yourself. And first of all, you have to go into the thinking to say, I. Don't go into the thinking, then who are you? And don't reply to me. Yes? It's a pity we don't hear your laughter anymore, Masumi. You don't laugh anymore. You're quiet. It's good? Better? Better?
Things are changing so quickly.
Okay. So you are not the things which are changing, huh?
You made her laugh.
I feel so free. I feel so free. So much horrible things happen, and yet I'm not affected. I feel so free.
You can laugh.
Yes, I'm not going to tell you what is happening in my life, but you don't want to know. One after the other.
Yeah,
All
but
the
you are so
betrayals and
free.
everything, but it doesn't
But
bother
I'm
me.
concerned by your freedom.
What did you say?
I'm concerned by your freedom.
You're concerned about my freedom?
Yes. I'm very happy with your freedom.
Yes, I feel so free.
Okay.
I didn't
You
know
are
this kind
free.
of freedom exists. I'm sure I'm still suffer if I'm, you know.
Your body and mind suffer.
Yeah, my mind, my body may suffer, but my mind will not be there for more than half an hour. Now I know. Whatever happens, it's not more than half an hour.
No, she's Japanese.
Yes.
You can laugh. You can laugh again. Again you can laugh. What is in time belongs to the changes. You are free.
Thank you so much. It's been really good being here.
Anybody wants to be freed at once if it is not already there. So I take all of you as freedom itself. I hope you do it for yourself too. If not, please, go for it. Go to remove that idea. Good. Looks, huh? Thank you very much.